Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to tell you about the story of Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam and the talking ants. So let's get started. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ants work together. Ants live in a big family called a colony. Each colony has many different types of ants. Each group of ants has different jobs. There is a queen ant, the worker ants, and the soldier ants. Have you heard the story of the ants and the Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam? So I am going to tell you now. So here, can you see the queen ant? Yes. Can you see the worker ants? Yes. And the soldier ants? Yes, you are right. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam was a wise king. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam was a messenger of Allah. He was also the king of a large kingdom. He was a fair and wise king. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam understood the language of animals such as birds and ants. He had been given the power to understand and control jinn. He could even order and direct the wind. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam and his army. One day, Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam called his army, which consisted of men, jinn, and birds. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam rode his horse and took his place in the front row. When everybody was ready, they started to move in tight, straight lines. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam in the valley of ants. Soon they arrived at the valley of ants. The startled ants ran away in fear of being stepped on by Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam's army. The ants were frightened. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam heard one of the ants call out to the other ants to go and hide in the anthill. Friends, go into the nest so that you will not be stepped on by Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam and his army. The wise Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam looked at the ants and said, "Dear ants, do not be afraid. My army will not harm you or your home." The ants were happy. Ants are small insects that are easily ignored by humans. But Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam and his army took a different route so that they would not disturb the ants. The ants were very happy. That was how Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam showed his love towards the ants. Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam, the considerate king. As a king, Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam was not only protective of his people, but he also protected the animals, even ones as small as ants. Just like Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam, we should also protect and be considerate towards animals. So that's all for now. Hope you had enjoyed listening the story of Prophet Sulaiman alayhi salam and the ants. Next time, inshallah, I will bring another prophet story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.